Good morning, madam.
Morning, ligo ka na.
Hindi pa po.
Gising mo na.
Kakabangon ko lang po.
Ito, mas gumising ka na. Huwag mo nang pabigyan ng ilaw. Sabi niya, hindi ito a day in my life. Pero punta kami sa... Papunta kami, babe, sa BGC Seda. At ay, alis na kami. See you na white. How did you know?
It's
I
1
needed
minute.
someone like you.
Yung ko lang na-appreciate lalo yung buko ni Coach. Ang ganda pala sa kanya bagay maiksi.
Eme?
Eme.
Hmm.
Parang si ano, alam mo yung ano, tag nun?
Sino? Sige, galingan mo.
Si
anak,
ano,
kapilit mata
Mondragon, yung ano.
yan. Ala, si Mondragon ka daw. Si ano?
Si Daniela, yung ano.
I don't
Yung
want to be
kontrabida.
Daniela. I want to be the daughter. Marga.
Eme? Velvet one?
Parang hindi ko kinaya yung biglang okay ate mag-fasting na tayo. Parang okay. Kung alam ko lang na-start na agad yung kagabi, dinamihan ko yung kinain ko eh. I-move kaya natin. What do you think, Cherry? Anong kakain natin? Dapat it should be healthy but really masarap.
Eme?
Make salad later.
Feeling ko sisikat ka talaga dito. Mighty man. Super big. Ito na lipstick ha? Is that clean already? Doon na naman.
Alright. Ay, wait lang.
Parang medyo ako na-confused. Wait lang, kailangan ba naka-Filipiniana? I think casual lang. Hi! Are you from Heroes? Hello! Okay. I'm with my team, by the way.
Hi.
I told you.
Hi, madam. Nice to
Hi!
finally meet
Oh my
you.
God!
Hello po, ayun.
Finally,
How are you?
finally. I'm good. Hindi naman traffic, so okay lang.
So, mag-settle down na kami. So, we'll be doing the panel na lang downstage
Okay.
para madali. Then you, Miss Mona. This is Joselle. Joselle, Miss
Hello!
Mona. You'll be joining the
I'm
panel
Giselle
with
Tech
her.
po.
Hi, Mona. You are?
Giselle.
Giselle. Hi. This
Hello
is my
po.
son, Carl.
Hi, hi Carl. Giselle.
Okay, we're waiting for one more speaker, but we're set to start at 10:30. So, atay na lang po natin. Thank you so much.
I am Giselle, a hero, proving that no dream is too big. I am Giselle.
Pamela. Pam po.
Pamela,
You
okay.
can call me Pam.
Thank you.
course, our next speaker is a brand consultant, an inspirepreneur, a PWD advocate, and founder of The Rolling Media. Born with spinal muscular atrophy type 3, she navigates her life in a wheelchair, but never from the sidelines. She helps others find their voice, own their story, and lead with purpose through personal branding. This Women's Month, she stands as a reminder that strength comes in many forms, and every woman has the power to rise. Her mantra, if she can do it, so can you. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Joselle Chen.
Thank you. First of all, I want to say thank you to Nicole. I met Nicole 4 years ago, and she has been always fighting with messages online or in
Despite whatever social media is saying, as a brand and creative expert, how do we navigate that or stay ahead of that?
I would agree with what you said, that because of innovation in dress, going along in our industry, in our space, or at least in the world, sometimes there are a lot of creators, influencers, and somehow you don't even know who to follow, what will work for me. It's not about looking outside. It is really looking inside. For you to be able to stick with your identity, it has to be clear. 4 things: who you are, what you do, whom you serve, and what makes you different. I think being able to answer 4 of these questions, these real questions, you'll be able to know and understand deeply what do you want to be known for. Because sometimes we build something along the way, sometimes out of necessity, out of boredom, out of different things, and that is totally okay. And somehow, you would ask yourself, sa tamang direction ba ako? Ito pa ba yung gusto ko? Nakikita ko pa ba yung sarili ko dito? I would always recommend to just go back within, ask the real questions. What do I want to be known for?
Let's go! Picture na natin!
Wow, so nag-ano ko, dapat pangarap ko yun. Alam mo ah. Oo, kanina ko ba tinitignan your so penis?
Best compliment of the summit.
I love it.
Pina. Charot.
Ay, wow, pinya. Okay. Saan niyo rin yung pina?
Opo.
I see.
Well, ako po yung COO. Tapos kami po yung nag-fund tong buong summit.
Oh, okay. Pina is, can you talk about it?
It's,
I see. I love it. Sige, let's get connected.
yes, I like it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Nagkita rin tayo. Bang-bang mo naman. Alright, thank you. Thank you.
Ito po yung mga gawang hobby ng mga kababaihan ng
Ay,
Malone.
talaga?
So, mga senior citizen, out of school youth. So, ayan po. Hope we can...
Ang ganda. Thank you.
Ako.
Thank you so much.
Ang tapang ng pabango nila, kuya. Parang yung pabango ni Ice. Napakaliit na bote pero napakatapang.
Everyone, we are done with the Shiro Summit 2025. Thank you to Pamela. Thank you to Nicole for inviting me. And now we need some comfort time. I'm thinking about going to the doctor or to have facial because it's much needed. Tagal ko na hindi nakakapag self-pamper. So today's the day because tomorrow and tonight, actually tonight pa lang, sobrang dami ng magaganap. So, yun lang. Samahan niyo kami. Two more hours. Yes.
Naka-fasting kami eh.
Si Boss dito nakapasok din.
Fasting-fastingan lang yan. Taas mo ako. Hey, you have to be honest with me. Ano ba yung masakit? Wala naman masakit. Katangina mo. Nagigigil ako sa'yo. Yeah, exactly. We have to check that out. Dapat pinapa-check out. Pinapa-check out. Baka check out na kailangan mo. Hindi pa check up mo talaga yan, V. Kailan nag-umpisa yan? Maybe because of the Batangas, no? Yeah. Hoy, nag-start yun sa Batangas? Pa-check muna kaya natin yan. Mas concerned ka ba sa relo kaysa sa katawan mo? Mga kaloka. It must be the Belmoy! Kago talaga. Squid, parang kalaman. Visit ka. Launching lang.
Hindi po ba si Ma'am nahihirapan?
Ano ba yung kailangan po ba?
See you later. Alam mo na ano eh, nakyutan siya eh. Baka matubo ko.
Kala pa rin ba?
So, we're here for isang skillet.
Parang nakakatakot yung mga pagbibikan. Tikman mo to.
Malaglag ko yung
Sige lang. Ay, mas wala man. 8 months mo naman yun. Pag nalaglag yung bago ano sa'yo.
Thank you.
Ano daw?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, B. Thank you so much, boss.
Boss, thank you, boss. Boss, talaga nagdatingan mo, boss.
Boss na boss.